Good morning. It is Sunday morning. We are headed out. We're leaving right now.
Hello.
We are going to go to the outlets, meeting Destiny and Brandon and Baby Saint there. And then we're going to go to the hotel. And yeah, I'll keep you updated with my day. I have on a Zara dress that my first time wearing. Very fitted. You can see baby girl. Paige jean jacket, oversized. And then my Goldies. So this dress just says spring. I was like, I have to wear it. So, okay, let's go. Oh, he wants to be.
I have a Golden Goose sneakers on. I have Paige jeans. I have a Paige green hoodie.
Oh, yeah. Very cozy.
And I have a black H&M t-shirt on.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
And a black ring from Trident. Trident!
Yeah, his wedding ring. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon. Okay, so we are getting gas. We just got some Dunkin' Donut coffee. I got the decaf, and Preston got some pineapple mango green tea refresher, which was really good. So just so you know, Dunkin' Donuts refreshers are pretty good. I was impressed. It kind of tastes like a Starbucks one. Like, it's really good. It's not too sweet. Don't do the green tea because it's just better. But we're heading to Cabazon, which are some great outlets out here, almost by Palm Springs. So it's a little drive. So we're heading out. We're going to meet Destiny and Brandon. This car got very close. And Baby Saint. So we're going to go do some shopping. Preston still wanted to get me my 30th birthday gift, so he's been wanting to do this trip as well. So let's see what I find. Let's see what designer purse I find. Also, Preston and I are going to share a Dunkin' Donut French curler. So yummy. We had one not too long ago and we're like, this is good, but let's share. Dunkin' Donut was so busy this morning. We got in there, we're like, the drive-thru was so long, and then inside they were pretty quick, but my drink is so good, so it's worth the wait. But it's a Sunday morning, feels weird. We did not go to church today. I'm like, that's why I never go to Dunkin' on a Sunday morning. And then like we were driving through the neighborhood and I'm like, oh my gosh, that church is full. Like, it's Sunday. You can just tell it's a Sunday. But yes, I will see you guys in a bit. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hopefully I can film in Gucci. I'm not sure if they're like, you know, we'll see. But yeah, let's go shopping. checking into the room now. We are sleepy.
Yeah, I get a little tired on that
About to take a little rest. Got the closet right there. Oh, let me put this down really quick. Guys, I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's see. Oh, that is bright.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Okay. Oh my gosh. Shower. Okay. I'm debating if I should do my unboxing right here with you guys. Because I got something from Gucci. I'll do it. I'll decide. I might do this unboxing with y'all. So we're back from the outlets. We had so much fun. I literally went a little overboard because everything I saw, I was like, ah. Okay, so I went in knowing that I wanted a Gucci purse and maybe a Chloe purse. So I said, let's see what purse I find. Sometimes I go to Chloe and I don't find one, and it's happened quite a bit. Gucci kind of never lets me down. I always find something. So we walk into Gucci and I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, I see this purse that I'm like, I walk in, I see the purse and I'm like, oh, I want that purse. Okay, so I take a look around the store to give it a look. Then I came back to this purse. I was like, Preston, what do you think? Saint, she said yes. Destiny said yes. Brandon said yes. So I was like, okay. So, you guys ready to see my purchase? Okay, so I am going to be honest. I bought a Gucci and I did buy a Chloe, but the Chloe one was really reasonable, and I'm going to show you that one probably on my next vlog. So, okay, so the Gucci bag. Okay. Gucci box. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. Okay. Open it up. This is how it looks when you open the box. It has a little Gucci duster bag. It's so cute. It's like almost like a burlap. Okay, so I open that. You guys ready? It's like wrapped in little not bubble wrap, but like some form of bubble wrap. Okay. Eek, I'm so excited. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is my new Gucci bag. Look at that. Oh, so coastal cowgirl. My cousin yesterday was telling me something about coastal cowgirl, and I was like, wait, that's me. Like, coastal cowgirl. Like, cowgirl is like California cowgirl. That is me. So I'm like, that is my style. Yes, it is. So this is my new purse. I'm going to do my best to link it down below. They had one that had brown leather and a blue lion, but I liked this one. This one is the one I saw right when I walked in, so I said yes. It's like the little mini. It's my style of purse. So I'm so excited about this and so thankful. The strap is silver. So this is going in my new Gucci collection. I'm just so over the moon, so thankful to Jesus for this purse. So we're gonna get ready for service right now, and then I will probably see y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna film that much tomorrow and Tuesday or Wednesday, but I will see you sometime this week. But yay for Gucci and Chloe. I cannot wait to show you guys that Chloe purse, but I just gotta be a little patient, and I want to share that on the next vlog. So yay for Gucci and Chloe. They did it again. They never let me down. They throw out that coastal cowgirl vibes like all year long. So yay for purses. There's any outlets near you, see if they have any designer brands, but it's a little tricky because some designer brands, I was telling Preston, make purses for their outlets, not Gucci. Gucci's purses are from their retail stores, and from my knowledge, and Chloe is actually from the retail stores. They have their retail tags still, and they're just marked down. So yes, yay for purses. I'm all about purses, and now my collection is growing, so I'm so thankful for that. Okay, I need to take a little rest, so I will see y'all soon. Bye. Good morning. It is Friday morning today. I'm still here in the hotel. Yes, I am. So, let's see here. I last left off with you showing you my Gucci bag. Okay, so that was Sunday. Now it's Friday. So I was, we extended the meeting, my sister and brother-in-law. So now to Friday night. So we're going home tonight. So, but we are going to go to the outlets again today since it's close by. So we're going to head there probably like in an hour and a half. I'm watching Saint right now. She's asleep on the bed. So, so yeah. Whew. So Preston went home. He has a 3J filming job in LA. So he is working. He left. His first day was Wednesday, Thursday, and today's his last day. So he's been texting me about filming, and it's cool because he's like the main character in this, and like all LADPD's involved in this one. Like and he's like the bad guy. So it's really cool to see God open that door for him. So he's out. So I'm like, I miss him. It's been 2 days, so I see him tonight. But yeah, we're gonna go to the outlet. So I'm gonna take you again for the second time with me. I got this beautiful dress because I needed to get more clothes because I didn't pack enough since we stayed longer. But I think this dress is so pretty. I really like it. It's so pretty. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get Saint ready in a little bit, do some reading, and then I'll take you guys with us to the outlets, see what else we find. Do I need anything else? No. But could I find something? Maybe. So we'll see what we do find. But yeah, I'll take you along with me, and happy Friday, and this Sunday's Mother's Day, so I probably will film a little bit tomorrow. Depends. I think I'm gonna watch Saint again tomorrow, and then Mother's Day will be Sunday, so I won't film Sunday. But yeah, it's a busy week now. But let's go back to the outlets. My little baby bump. She's been moving so much, like she's kicking in this area. It's so cute. Today is Mother's Day. It is Sunday. I got myself some hot decaf coffee. Going to do my makeup and get ready. Good morning. Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm back home in my home. I felt like we were at that hotel for for 6 days. We are home now. I'm home to the hubby. So we are headed to church. I like this dress so much that I had to wear it again today for Mother's Day. Yeah, we're heading to church. Then we're going to come back, and my siblings are all going to be here, and we're going to have a lunch. So I'll kind of keep you posted with the day. I do want to show you what we got my mom as well. So yeah, let's go to church, and I'll be back. So we're back from church. Church was great. Guys, Preston got me roses for Mother's Day. How precious is he? He said, I want to get you flowers. So he got me roses for Mother's Day. For the little baby girl. Okay, so I'm going to put these in a vase really quick. I think they're so pretty. Oh, they smell so good. Beautiful white roses. I'm going to put them in my vase. Thinking which vase. I'm going to put them in a vase, and then I'm going to finish filling out my mom's Mother's Day card, which is I don't know if I'm focused. Let me fix my camera to autofocus. Okay, so I got her a little card. This looks just like her, and it says, "Thanks for helping me grow." So Preston's gonna fill out his little section, and then I'm gonna wrap part of her gift up. Then my sister and I and Eric bought her something at Gucci. We all, us three, were like, let's get her something. So my sister's gonna bring that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the cake really quick that I made. I'm gonna just go frost it really quick. It's a Cool Whip cake. So it's basically just a classic yellow cake. You poke holes in it and you put Jello before it forms into like gelatin. Like you just pour the Jello as it's a liquid in the cake, and then you put it in the fridge, and then you put Cool Whip on top, and it is so yummy. So I'm gonna show you that as well. Family's about to get here. But yeah, it's Mother's Day, and it was so cute at church today. They gave all the mothers a little gift, and they do a raffle, and they had me go up too, because they're like, "You're a mom." They were all like, "Come on, Christian." It was so funny. But yeah, let me put these in a vase really quick and hang out with the family again. My brother got me a rose.